Listen to these people, Ricky. You're a winner. You got the gift. Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
Right back in that gym, act like none of them miss. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on.
Video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Alright, YouTube, man. So right now we are at Metro Restyling, about to pick up wrap for the Hellcat. As I told y'all in the last video, man, we about to rewrap the Hellcat. We finna kill it with simplicity, man. And if you haven't checked out my website at slidetoparadise.com, man, tap in, don't sleep, click that like button, click that sub button. We about to go crazy, man. So as y'all see, we got us a roll of gloss white wrap sitting inside the Hellcat. The car is finna be black and white, all right? We finna wrap the car black and white. Just wait till y'all see it though. It's finna be so tough. A lot of details going on the Hellcat, man. We have officially started. We got the Hellcat in the garage, as y'all see. You know what I'm saying? Mirrors off, door handles off. We finna black the Hellcat out, man. That's what we doing. We got crazy SRT JD decals that was on the scat. We're gonna wrap the wheels, calipers. So just stay tuned, man. We're going crazy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Mun, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee and Vegas, bro.
Yes, sir.
Came out here to wrap the Hellcat for me, so.
Gonna make it do what it do.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all tap in with him, follow, support. And y'all know, actually, he wrapped the scat. The one-on-one scat that everybody loves. So make sure y'all stay tuned, because we finna come back to back on y'all boys.
When I fucking
Y'all see it.
I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna put a piece, so. Y'all, we trying to wrap this in one day. So
One day, for real.
Putting
We
the
can't be
piece-
giving these for too much free game, though, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You right. It's the tricks of learning how to rap in one day, but still making the job look clean. That's what we doing right now, basically.
So, yeah, Landon Life is tape, man. We finna get this done right. We gonna go stripes too. Actually, y'all, I wasn't even gonna put stripes on the car, but Mun wanted to put stripes on the car. So
Yeah, dude.
I don't think y'all understand, bro. That chrome wrap was just a little warm up, little intro. Nah, now we finna start snapping
This
again.
time, every piece of the car gonna be touched.
You know what I'm saying?
Wheels, brakes, everything gonna be touched.
I ain't never did the rims and the brakes wrap. I did the rims on one car, but I ain't never did both. So stay tuned for that.
Stripes, decals, everything.
Stripes, decals, with the simplest color. Simplest color there is. All right, YouTube. So y'all see, man, right now, I'm rapping the Fender. You know what I'm saying? Not my boy Mun, even though he taught me how to rap, but you know, I'm rapping the Fender. Show y'all boys something, man.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay.
Slow motion, man. Slow motion.
What you gonna do with that one? You can do it all right there.
You said what?
What you gonna do with that right there? There it is. Yeah. Okay. Now you can take everything else up. You gotta eat that out. Right there. You got to. Yeah, hold on. That right there? Yeah, you gotta eat that out. Yeah. Come on, man. Y'all, you restarting yourself.
Hell nah, that's going on better though.
There you go.
See what I'm saying?
Hey, my boy got it.
Come on now.
I just put it off.
What, right here?
Yeah.
Look at some more, huh?
Yeah. A little bit more. There you go. That's good. You get a picture. I got you. You gonna pick it up right there. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Pick it up with me. Hold it. Keep it up there. I know.
Got scared.
And what is that?
What is what?
Is that
It's a tape line.
Oh.
Alright, man. We ain't finna keep giving y'all this free game. But y'all see it. Shelly almost done. I said almost done, but it really is low key. Cut everything out, do the bumpers, do the other side. Alright, YouTube, so this is the before, as y'all see. And then this is the after, man. And obviously we not done, we got a lot of work to do, but let me just show y'all these details real quick. So we're going inside wheel wells, white, reflective red calipers, you know what I'm saying? White decal, matte black wrap. Finna wrap this caliper reflective, put the white in the wheel. Come on, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this, man. Y'all like the decals that we brought back? Them are the exact same decals from the Charger, so yeah, man, y'all let me know. I think we remixed it in a better way this time, though. It do a little orange when they lit up. Reflective calipers, man. Y'all see it. Details.
There you go. Yup. Bam. You got to push it a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hop in, oh yeah. You good. Good, turn. You got it. Yes, sir, yeah, nice. Like a real race car.
Hey, man, we've been working on, but hold on. We gotta let y'all folks know how long been working on this car, man. We got here at 7 a.m. 14 hours straight, bro. 14 hours straight on the Hellcat. But we ain't got that much to go, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta put the work in early. This black look crazy. This doesn't literally disappear. Like, that matte black is insane.
Day 2.
Whoa.
That's what my opinion is, man.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Let me know what you think about it, man. We ain't even done. We ain't even done with it, y'all.
It's a kitten just waiting to be let go, man.
Yeah. So, you know, do what the hell can't make them do, man. Hey, but yeah, I appreciate that, man. You know, first opinion of the Hellcat.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. You know. But y'all see it, YouTube. Day 2 rapping the Hellcat, man. We out here starting the wheels. Bro Cam gave his reaction to the Hellcat. You know.
Shout out Rastafari.
You know what I'm saying? We laying the stripes right now.
Let's see with the 15. Okay. Let's see.
You feel me? So we're gonna have white stripes going down the whole car. Just like the drift scat, but instead of one big stripe, we're gonna do 2 racing stripes with the red pinstripe. Yes, sir. What in 14? Like, All right, straight. You know what I'm saying? OEM racing stripes, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all see, we got the stripes laid on the hood. With the OEM hood scoop cut out. Come on now. No printed stripes.
Day 3.
Back at Metro restyling to pick up more matte black for the car. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Metro for being in the city, man. But finna pick up more matte black, gonna finish it. We only got that rear quarter panel to do, so literally throw that on, throw the passenger side decal on, and then it's time to ride, man. Got my boy Mun out here at Metro, man. He ain't never even been in Vegas before. Hey, tell them folks what you think about Vegas, bro. He said, I'm about to move tonight. All right, YouTube, so we secured the wrap, man. Let's go. We got the matte black. You know what I'm saying? We back in motion. All right, YouTube, like I said, man, my boy Mun landed his last side. We done post-heated the whole car. So now all we got to do, throw the decal on, and we are done with the Hellcat, man. Y'all see it. Follow Jesus, not me on the back. It was dark last night, so.
What time is it?
I don't know yet. Hold on, let me finish this little clip. Okay. 36. So look, y'all hit me. What, 12 minutes?
4 minutes since the last asked this, but yeah, 12 minutes since 14
So,
minutes since we started.
Look, he didn't put this whole side on in 14 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It would have took somebody about 2 hours. Man, that white in the wheel well hit so hard, bro. Golly.
That's the fastest rapper in Memphis, huh?
You know what I'm saying? Fastest rapper in the United States. Come on now. Stripes hitting so hard. White SRT emblem. Solid detail, man. Come on now. Hey, back stripes laid by JD. You feel me?
Yeah, so they off, YouTube,
He's talking about if it's off. Nah, they look. We outballed that, y'all. We did that good. Come on now. Yes, sir. Reflector.
When you in this game, you gotta take some losses. I used to hang around the workers now. Losses, another baby on the way. I gotta move strategic.
Alright, man. As y'all see, YouTube, finishing touches on the Hellcat. Get in the comments and let me know what y'all think, man. The white dual racing stripes, red pinstripes, matte black wrap. Wrap the whole inside of each wheel white. Reflective calibers. Side decals. That actually came off a Charger. We ain't even measuring for the Challenger, but diffuser wrap to match the stripes. Reflective on the diffuser. Red SRT, come on, man. Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
did it again. Matte Black Hellcat. And the new wrap is complete. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I think we outdid ourselves with this one, man. And it's so simple, y'all. Like, I didn't even plan to put the stripes on it. I was just gonna do it all black. But the stripes made it way better, bro. Pin stripes, like, yeah, we went crazy. We got the racing stripes with the OEM cutout, like I said. That's a big detail that people gonna look over, but my boy did that by hand. No measurements, no nothing, just straight skill. So make sure y'all tap in with him. I like this way more than the chrome, I'm not gonna lie. But shout out to Car Wrap Online for sending me the vinyl. Use code SRTJD for 15% off, man. Go order y'all some wrap. Get y'all a matte black wrap just like this, man. We gonna get the C8 pulling out the garage too, man. Black and white C8. Matching the Hellcat, you feel me? Y'all see it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's one of them days, man. Hellcat outside again. Hey, man. Got my boy Mun back at the airport, you feel me? Come on, man. Hellcat rap successful, man. Y'all see it. We do it every single time.
Don't listen to these people, Ricky. You're a winner. You got the gift. Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
Right back in that gym, act like nothing even missing. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on.
The video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.